Welcome in the kitchen. I'm so glad y'all are here. It's supper time. That ought to be my song. It's supper time again. I've got us some chicken over here in the crock pot. That's a separate video. Crock pot chicken, oh, and it smells so yummy. We're going to make some tater tot skins. I guess that's what you call them. That's what I'm going to call them. Got me a bag of tater tots right here. Just plain old tater tots. And I've got me down here, I'll turn y'all down. I've got me a muffin pan. And it has 24 little holes. 24, I can make 24 muffins or cupcakes at one time. And each one of these I'm going to put 3 tater tots. Just like this. This makes a wonderful appetizer for holidays, ball games, whatever. Easy to do. Everybody loves them. So, I never really had a name for them. I just made them. Like I said, they're quick and easy to do. All right, here we go. This is the last 3. I'll put those back out in the freezer. All right, now then, my oven, I'll turn y'all up so you can see me. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees, okay, 400 degrees. I'm going to pop these in there for about 5, 10, 15 minutes. Maybe it won't take that long, about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to get them back out and we're going to top them and finish them. But for right now, they're going in there for about 5 minutes. And I'll bring y'all back when I get them out and show you what we're going to do next. Okay, I'm back. They were in there about 6 minutes. But you basically just want them thawed out. Because then you want to take something kind of like this. I'll bring you way down so you can watch me. This is just a tea ball. Just to put loose tea in it. But it works great for this. You can use a spoon. You can use your hands. I got 4 in that one. It's an extra one. You just want to mash them and kind of thin them out to where they fit up kind of around the sides because you're making like a little cup, okay? Just making a little cup. Got one more to go and then we'll be in good shape. And I'll show you what we're going to do next. All right, now then. Use whatever kind of seasoning you want to on these. But these, I'm going to add this ranch seasoning, and I want to sprinkle it. So I'm just going to put it right in this tea ball. It's just a pack of ranch seasoning. Y'all can't see, can you? Got y'all down too low. Just a pack of ranch seasoning. Just like that. And I'm just going to sprinkle it. And that just shakes it out. Y'all probably can't see it going on there. But believe me, that ranch seasoning's getting on all of them. This is a great little shaky thing. Put as much as you want. I'm just going to shake a minute here. All right, there's our ranch seasoning. Now then, because if you're eating a potato, you always put a little bit of butter on it, right? I'm going to put a little bit of butter right in the middle of these. Just a tiny little bit. Just a smidgen. Because we just want that little bit of flavor that butter's going to give it. Okay? Don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. I'm just pinching it off here with my fingers. doesn't have much. I'll give it a little more. I'm probably going to use maybe a tablespoon and a half for all of these. Just a tiny wee bit more. Just a wee little bit. All right. There we go. There's our butter. Let me wash my hands. All right, now then. Y'all know I like to use this bacon right here. And it's been in the freezer. But you know what? It'll cook up, and then some of the fat that's in it, that I usually put it in the microwave and so forth, will cook right down into those potatoes. And I'm just putting a little bit on each one. Just a little bit on each one. And I bet y'all I've already figured out what else I'm going to put on there. I bet you've already figured it out. And I can hear y'all saying, yes, we know. I know what she's doing. She might not know, but I do. Let's see, is there any more? It's a little bit short on bacon. We want lots of bacon on them now. Don't be skimpy. Don't be skimpy. All right. I believe that looks good. Now then, yes, we're going in there with some cheddar cheese, just like this. And I shredded this up last night because we had chili. And this is the yellow and the white cheddar, just mixed together. You're just going to put a sprinkling on the top. Just like that. I'll tell you, these things are quick and easy to do. And make wonderful little appetizers, individual serving little things. They really do. They do. Let's get this all on there. Get everything off so it doesn't burn on the pan, because we don't want that. That'll be hard to clean up, won't it? It will. Let's get it all in our little cups here. Or as best we can, anyway, right? Some of these are kind of skimpy looking. They'll be all right. It'll all be fine. All right, we're going to put these back in the oven for about 20 minutes this time. Till all this gets all melty and gooey and the tater tots are nice and crisp. And they're going to be so yummy. So yummy. 20 minutes, 400 degrees. I'll be back. All right, here's our tater tots. Can y'all see them? Look at that. I just put 2 on this plate. Look at them. Yum, yum, yum. Let's give them a taste. You want to give them a taste? Let's try them. See how yummy and delicious they are. I know they're going to be good. You know, if you put everything you like in something and cook it, it has to be good, right? They're hot. Hot. I should have let it cool a minute. But they're good. That's all that matters. I'm going to let the rest of them cool a minute before we eat them at the table. So y'all remember, Like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.